This journey, it is the power to change your life. It is the power to change kids' lives. It is the power to change what we'll be known for long after you and I are gone. This experience is about learning to spot open doors of opportunity, doors that God Himself has already opened, doors that you and I simply must walk through. It's about gaining an eternal perspective, about celebrating how we've risen from our own places of impoverishment, about seeing our talents and capabilities as resources we can invest in others' lives, and choosing to live beyond ourselves. This experience, it's about learning to live with compassion and then act on that compassion we feel. Inspired by Pastor John Ortberg's book, All the Places to Go, How Will You Know? And featuring both John Ortberg and his friend of 20 years, Jimmy Mellado, president of Compassion International. For 5 consecutive sessions, you and other members in your group will meet to screen the week's video, discuss the concepts presented by Jimmy and John, and accept and activate your compassion challenge, in which you can practice the skills introduced. As the sessions progress, so does the influence of your actions. Session 1 explains how the choices we make equate to the sum of our lives. Session 2 explores the impact of compassionate living on our inner world, our soul. Session 3 looks at the potential of your family, your squad, to become a serving team. Session 4 centers on just how powerful the local church can be in alleviating suffering. And Session 5 casts vision of a world without hunger or pain. My family and I have been partnering with Compassion International for the last 10 years, sponsoring more than 23 children. A sojourning that has taken us to Ecuador, to Uganda, to the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Guatemala, and more. In every locale, we've seen local churches empowered by Compassion's work to serve the needs of their community's own. We've seen children fed, clothed, educated, and introduced to Jesus Christ. We've seen them released from the grip of poverty. We've seen them handed long-awaited hope. This scourge on society is solvable. We can solve childhood poverty, friends. One small group determined to act on the sense of compassion they feel as they survey the needs in our broken world. You just never know where that door will lead.